In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Telegram history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your recent searches, how to browse shared media and files inside any chat, and how to export a full copy of your conversations using Telegram Desktop. Let's start with recent searches. Open the Telegram app and make sure you are on the main chat screen, the one that lists all your conversations. From here, bring up the search bar on most devices. You can tap the search icon at the top or simply pull down a little on the chat list to reveal it. Now tap into the search bar right below it. Telegram shows your recent searches. This is a quick way to jump back to topics, people, or groups you've looked up before. If you don't see anything listed, it may just mean you haven't searched for anything recently on that device. Tap any entry to revisit it instantly. Next, let's look at shared media and files inside a chat. Open any conversation you want to review. At the top, tap the chat's header, the area with the chat name and picture. This opens the chat details screen. Scroll down and you'll find organized sections like media, files, links, and voice messages. Media shows photos and videos shared in that chat. Files gathers documents and other attachments. Links collects all the URLs that have been sent. And voice messages lets you revisit audio clips. You can scroll through these sections to quickly browse your chat history by type. Then tap any item to open and review it. This is especially handy when you are trying to locate a specific file or a link without scrolling through the entire conversation. Finally, if you are on a computer and want a complete copy of your chat history, use Telegram Desktop. Open Telegram Desktop, then click the three horizontal lines in the top corner to open the menu. Go to Settings. Choose Advanced, scroll down, and select Export Telegram Data. This tool lets you create an offline archive of your messages and shared content, which can be useful for record keeping or reviewing conversations outside the app. Follow the prompts on screen. Telegram will prepare the data and save it to your computer. Keep in mind that this export feature is available on the desktop app, not on mobile. And that's it. Thanks for watching.